I'll give you an example. In furniture, one of the reasons that our sofas are flammable when they shouldn't be is you have a fire test for cover fabric and you have a fire test for the filling material, okay? And in that test, they get the cover fabric and they stretch it tightly over a big block of test foam, and they set light to the fabric, and what happens is the flame retardant gases form a sort of dome around the flame and it goes out. But in practice, most sofas, you have your cover fabric and your filling, and manufacturers put this kind of fibre layer between the two, okay, for comfort, and it makes it easy to construct the furniture. Now that fibre layer has passed its own fire test, but nobody thought of what happens when you put them together. And when you put that fibre layer under cover fabric, it introduces oxygen to the flame. See what I mean? So, although the cover fabric might have passed its own test, and the filling material has passed its own test, and the fibre wrap layer has passed its own test, no one thought, yeah, but what happens when you put them all together? And it's similar with cladding. You know, the individual bits of it have passed their tests, but when you put some of them together, they become combustible. So I'm sorry that it sounds a bit complicated, but that's really what's been argued out. Yeah. And there's no way the government, and this is why Hackett, I don't think, will say that any of the legislation is at fault, because if she does, the government's going to get sued big time.